Nag-zooming siya.
Open, come on, faster.
Sophia. Sabi ko dito.
Sophia.
Wow! Because you draw all yung Sophia dolls.
Sinabi niya? Ay, yung tinapin niya sa bintana. Oh, open na.
So you have Sophia again.
What is one? Put there. Put there. Open na.
Open na. The next one.
Ayaw na niya.
Gusto niya rin ka sa Sophia.
Come on. Open the next gift. Come on. Yes.
Many girls.
Wow, Barbie!
What's that?
It's Rapunzel, of course.
Many girls.
It's Rapunzel.
Are you sure?
It's Rapunzel, yeah. Rapunzel, of course.
Rapunzel, alam mo na.
Wow.
It's a princess!
Do you like it? Do you like it?
Oh,
Talagang hinirela ng
Do you
ganyan.
like it? Oh, open the next one. Come on, come on. Later, later.
Open this one.
Oh, it's Alfred. Yeah.
Just wait. Just wait. Wait for your gift. Huwag mo muna ibigay sa kanya kanya.
Papaiyakin mo na.
Oh, iyak yan. Napakasiloso yung tinan mo. Sisibi na nga.
Okay. Ayan na, siyak na. Ayan na.
Ang yan, lagi niya aasarin. Bakit talagang inaano pa niya? Ay, asus. It's like this. Come on, open na yung gift from Nin. Ano, from Ninang. From Ninang. Oh, i-call Gavin first. Call. Call Kuya. Umiyak natin ang